You've just replaced a compressor, evaporator, or condenser on an AC system. What do you need to know next to refill the system so you have the right amount of refrigerant and oil so the system operates at optimal pressures? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Nissan, innovation that excites. Visit partsadvantage.nissanusa.com for more information.
Every year, the engineers get better and better at making an AC system work right. And they're doing this so it can operate with less refrigerant in the system. But for technicians, this means that there's less of a margin of error when you're servicing the system, in other words, evacuating it and filling up the system with new refrigerant and oil for the compressor. It is critical that you take your time and check for leaks in the evaporator and other components underneath the hood before you refill the system. This can be done with modern HVAC recycle and recovery machines. After the system is fully checked for leaks, it is critical that the right amount is added. If you add too little or too much, the cooling properties of the HVAC system will not work properly, and you could possibly even damage a compressor or other components in the system. Refer to the service manual for the proper refrigerant and oil refill procedure. AC is evolving. We're seeing new refrigerants come onto the market like 1234YF. This refrigerant breaks down in the upper layers of the ozone a lot sooner. We're also seeing a new AC recycle and recovery machines that can do a lot more. For instance, they can check the integrity of the system while you're working on other things. So take your time. Make sure that you're putting the right number of ounces for the system into the vehicle. If not, well, that customer is not going to be very happy and they're going to be a little hot under the collar. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.